Ndewono. You're welcome to part 3 of ABIIDII Igbo. Ntakịrị ntakịrị ka eji aracha ofe dị ọkụ. Little by little, you finish licking a big pot of hot soup. Nwayọ bụ ije, slow and steady wins the race. Nwayọ bụ ije, slow and steady, you win the race. In this part 3 of ABIIDII Igbo, I want to introduce to you some more groups of ABIIDII Igbo. I'm going to give you ABIIDII in 6 families. These families are simply arbitrary and for convenience. When we use that method, you will find Igbo language very easy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W,
ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
Jikilimini o opi, ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
Jikilimini o opi, ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
Biri si shiti u, ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
Biri si shiti u, ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
Uvi wi yizi, ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
Uvi wi yizi, ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
Wi kwi wi nye, ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
Wi nye, ABIIDI, kuziere m Igbo.
See this word, biko, say it. Biko is the Igbo word meaning please, and the spelling is B-E-K-O. Say that. B-E-K-O. Biko. You have been telling me to teach you Igbo language. That is to say, Biko kuziere m asụsụ Igbo. Please teach me Igbo language. I would like to advise you to note the spellings of these words. We will not have a separate classroom for spelling. For example, asụsụ, you spell A-S-O-S-O. Asụsụ. Igbo, you spell I-B-O. Do not spell I-G-B-O. You will learn to speak Igbo language starting from the basics. And the basic foundation is Igbo alphabet. That is what you call ABIIDI. This is the present Igbo alphabet, and I recommend, please do not bother to cram it. You will master it as we get along. There are certain plans we have. Suppose you want to spell a word like Aba. Aba is A-B-A, Aba. If you want to spell Aka, Aka means hand. A-K-A, Aka. Say it. Aka. Anya means eye or eyes. It's A-N-Y-A, Anya. You don't spell A-N-Y-A. You simply spell A-N-Y-A because N and Y are one Igbo letter. Head is Isi. Say it, Isi. E-C-E. Isi. House. Ulo. It is O-Li-O. Ulo. Imi is nose. Imi. Imi. Your mouth is Onu. O-Ne-O. Onu. Teeth is Eze. Say it. Eze. 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 Igbo is a very simple language to learn. Don't worry. We shall go miles. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a step. We have started, no turning back. But in case you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop it at the email. Also, you can reach me using a WhatsApp contact. I wish you success. In the next lecture, we are going to improve our vocabulary Even we will start counting in Igbo. 1, 2, 3, 4, utu, abo, ato, ano. Get ready for action. We are coming. ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
Efigi gbihigi ii ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
Efigi gbihigi ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
Efigi gbihigi ii ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
Efigi gbihigi ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
Jikiliminigi o opi ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
Jikiliminigi o opi ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
Jikiliminigi o opi ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.